What's up, core reporters, and welcome back to my channel. I've got a major update in the $4 million lawsuit against former Teen Mom 2 stars Chelsea Hiuska and Cole DeBoer. Now, just to refresh your memory on things, the two of them are being sued for $4 million by a company called Envy that accuses them of cutting them out of brand deals, accepting products, and not doing any reviews on them, and some other things as well, which we will get into in the story. Meanwhile, in fighting back against this, Chelsea and Cole are accusing Envy of not keeping proper financial records of what they were owed, withholding money from them, and some other things which seem pretty serious. Now, let me just say this. I do have a side that I'm kind of on in this situation in regards to who will most likely win this lawsuit, which I will discuss as we get into what is currently being levied in the latest motion set forward by Chelsea and Cole. They made a pretty big demand to the courts as well, to the judge, in regards to this case, which I definitely want to go over with you. So, of course, I don't want to miss out on any portion of this. So let's take a look at the story directly from The Sun, who have been doing an incredible job of covering this from the very, very beginning. This lawsuit, you guys, has been going on for 3 years at this point. I wonder how much money both sides have already spent trying to fight this situation. It's crazy. So, according to documents obtained by the U.S. Sun, Chelsea and Cole's legal team have filed a motion for summary judgment to request that the courts dismiss the case in its entirety, because according to them, Envy cannot provide any genuine issues of, quote, material facts as to claims for what they want against them. They're like, they've got no proof that Cole and I have done backdoor deals behind their backs. Okay, they've got no proof of anything that they're claiming against us. They are also asking for the judge to side in their favor in accusing Envy of breach of contract, and to award them legal fees and just everything that it has cost them to come this far as well. Now, in Chelsea's declaration, she says that once she was able to establish herself as a reality star, companies started coming to her, trying to negotiate deals. I feel like if companies are coming to you, why do you even need a middleman who's going to take half of the money coming towards you? Why not just hire someone, maybe even if it's a family member, to look over the deals and whatnot, have a lawyer look over the contracts, and voila. You know what I mean? Like, because this seems like a lot. Like, they were making like less than they should have in these deals, right? So, for example, they said that Chelsea and Cole were only making 65% of the money that was coming in. To me, that's crazy. If that money is coming to you, like, the people are not out there hunting for these brands, it's crazy to give them such a big percentage. What is that? You know what I mean? Like 35% or something like that. I would go even lower, because on top of that, unless Envy is a full service like thing where they have like in-house lawyers who look over the contracts, the fact that they would have to give another percentage to lawyers to actually look over the contracts and whatnot, like, it just does not seem worth it. Now, in regards to what this company was actually supposed to do, according to Chelsea and Cole, Envy was supposed to market their brand and pursue branding deals on her behalf and whatnot. Now, she's saying that while this company did actually complete its obligations in the first, second, and third quarters of 2016, Envy stopped providing any accounting statements for the fourth quarter of 2016, nothing for 2017 up until 2019, which is interesting to me that they accepted this as normal for so long. For 3 years, you accepted that a company handling your money was not giving you like the end checks and balances of what was going on. Come on now. They did provide 2 statements in July and August of 2018, but that's it. They kept requesting, but we're not getting anything else. Now, there's, again, I just mentioned that they kept requesting and we're not getting anything else. So, Chelsea and Cole. So now when it comes to like the big thing that they're requesting that the judge go ahead and seal their financial documents here at this point, because there's already too many details that are out there about the income that they were receiving from these brand deals and whatnot. They're saying that, first of all, it's kind of inappropriate for all this sort of like really personal, intimate financial information to be out there in the public, given that they are public figures. But outside of just like you and I knowing their income, they also feel like it might hinder their ability to do business moving forward, because it makes for difficulty with like the competition around them. Competitors knowing how much they charge and whatnot, and trying to undercharge or this or that, or other people trying to charge about the same, so that they could steal their clients and whatnot, the brands that go to Chelsea and Cole, or try to charge just a little bit under, something like that, to undercut them and whatnot. So this is the exact statement that they put out forward to the judge. Defendants Chelsea DeBoer and Cole DeBoer are well-known reality stars and influencers who have built their careers in the public eye for the past decade. This case involves claims relating to revenues they collected and that are owed to them for branding work they performed. In support of their motion for summary judgment, defendants attached documents and deposition transcripts that discuss and reveal sensitive and proprietary information, including their email addresses, home addresses, phone numbers, and other contact information, income from specific branding deals, how much revenue they collect from each deal, what the DeBoers pay their talent manager, and other fees, including expenses that they incur in running their companies. Defendants seek to shield this information for public disclosure, as it is highly confidential and competitively valuable information that is not available to the public and can negatively impact their ability to conduct business. Listen, I do think that they have a point there, and I think that this motion will be granted. I don't know if the case overall will be thrown out, because it seems like Envy is doing their part in moving this case forward. It's not like they're missing dates and not showing up or anything like that. They're doing their part. In regards to what Chelsea and Cole are complaining about, which is that they have not put forward anything like really official showing that Chelsea and Cole should owe them any kind of money. That part I'm not sure about, because the last time we got an update about this, you can check it out on my YouTube channel, search Chelsea and Cole lawsuit. Envy, they seem to provide more support for their stance on the case about Chelsea and Cole taking backdoor deals and whatnot. So I don't know that the judge is going to throw this out entirely. I think personally, Chelsea and Cole are going to get a mini win, which is that they will be allowed to keep their financial information confidential. It makes sense, right? That would be confidential. But I don't think that this case is going to be thrown out, and I don't think that the judge is going to grant them their legal fees paid off just yet. I think that there is still time to go here moving forward and whatnot, because as of right now, it appears as though both sides still have certain things to answer for. Just because a company is not sending you financial statements, for example, doesn't mean that you can go behind their back and start cutting them out of brand deals. You have to formally terminate your relationship with them. So if you were doing this stuff while you were under an exclusive agreement with them, I do think that there still is room for them to collect damages on that. And that is something that we're going to, watch play out as this continues. You guys, a 3-year-long lawsuit, these poor people, the amount of money that must be costing them, I don't even want to imagine. Okay. My God, good luck to them moving forward in this. I know that it has already cost them an arm and a leg, and that they just cannot wait for it to be over. But we'll see, right? The Sun has been doing an incredible job keeping up with this story. So definitely make sure to continue checking out their website. Anytime I see an update on the Sun or anything like that, I share updates as well. So if you haven't already, do make sure to subscribe to my channel if you prefer getting this information in video form. Okay, you guys. But for now, what do you think about the lawsuit? Do you think that Chelsea and Cole stand a chance of having this lawsuit thrown out? Or do you think that the judge is going to continue asking for more information before they can officially can this lawsuit? Also, do you think they're going to have the ability to privatize their financial records? Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. And as usual, we'll chat. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.